In this video, I'm going to share with you guys my cake pop dough recipe. It is so delicious, you guys, and you don't need any frosting. So let's get started. We're going to start with the 3 eggs. I like doing this first to make sure that there's no shells in there. To this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar because we're not adding the frosting. So I'm going to sweeten this up a little bit more. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of sour cream for that added moisture, and don't worry, you're not going to taste the sour cream. I'm also going to add 1 cup of milk and 1 stick of melted butter. I usually use the salted one. In this case, I'm just using the unsalted. You can also substitute the butter for applesauce or sour cream. And 1 vanilla Betty Crocker cake mix. We're going to mix this and we're going to bake this at 350 for about 30 minutes. When the cake comes out of the oven, you guys, I like to cover it for 10 minutes. This will lock in the moisture so we don't need to add any frosting. This also gives your cake some resting time. If you mix right after baking, sometimes the consistency can be a little bit gummy. We don't want that. That's why it's important to wait the 10 minutes. And right here we have the perfect cake pop dough. This usually takes about 5 minutes, and I want to show you that you can also do it by hand. You just got to be a little bit more careful since the cake will be warm. But you're going to knead this very well until you get that cake pop dough consistency we're looking for without needing any frosting. From this batch, you get about 30 ounces. I usually weigh my cake pops to 1 ounce. So you get 30 cake pops. Now you're going to put this in an airtight container until it comes to room temperature. Then I like to put it in the fridge. Cake pop dough lasts 7 days at room temperature, 2 to 3 weeks in the fridge, and 2 to 3 months in the freezer. In another video, I'm going to show you guys how to shape them and dip them. The possibilities are endless when making cake pops. You can make custom cake pops, rattles, cake pop balls. So stay tuned for more tutorials. I will see you guys on the next one.